Hello guys, this is Mike from Keyso. Now let's start our first video tutorial about how to install driver and start your first marking engraving with KeysoCAD. When you receive our machine, you will get a U-disk. Just check it and copy everything to your computer, which in my case I already did. Okay, you can also download from our official website, keyso.com.cm. Check service and news, check download. And KeysoCAD and KeysoMark laser marking machine software download. We will also post some of the video tutorial to our official website, so welcome to check it anytime. Okay, before we open any software, we need to install the driver first. KeysoCAD and KeysoMark driver. Just install it. And finish. Okay, we have two software we can use. First one is KeysoCAD, another one is KeysoMark. Okay, now let's check KeysoCAD first. Before we turn on the software, we need to plug the USB cable from the machine to the computer and turn on the machine. We can hear the sound. Now open KeysoCAD. Okay, since this is a quick start, I will explain the details in future. But first, we need to check the laser control. Make sure you have checked the laser type correctly. Okay? And then draw anything here. Okay? And check the red light. And I can saw the red light showing. After we saw the red light, we need to find the focus point to make a clear mark. How to do this? Check this continuous proceed, so we can have a continuous laser outcoming, and click mark. Now we are getting a continuous laser outcoming. Once we got a continuous laser output, just adjust the Z-axis of the machine to find the position where you can hear the laser sound the loudest. Like this. After we found the focus point, stop the laser. And now we can get a clear marking. Uncheck this continue proceed and place a new object, maybe a paper, and click mark. Now we have a clear marking result.